The e-learning workshop for Pillar 2 proposal coordinators is where the coordinator contacts the research support office saying, I'm planning to coordinate a Pillar 2 proposal. They take the e-learning workshop for Pillar 2 coordinators and they're given a PowerPoint template. And with this, they prepare something called a proposal clinic presentation. And then they contact the support office saying, we'd like to present our idea. And the support office organises previous evaluators, EU experts, maybe even national contact points. They comment on their proposal, and then the coordinator can decide, should I go ahead? And if they want to go ahead, they can use the clinic presentation to meet their partners, and they can use the workshops to prepare a plan for preparing the proposal for the actual call.